I have been tolerating these white doctors calling me Dr. Girl for all these years.
Oh my God, I've been practicing Whitney Houston's version of the Star Spangled Banner all night and I still can't sing it.
You know, I've been thinking all day.
Look, I've been watching you on this journey and it's gonna be a no for me.
I've been sitting here all day.
You guys sure have been spending a lot of time together lately.
Sam, you've been sitting there since I left this morning.
Can you believe that Crystal has been thinking about this for a long time?
Sweetheart, I've been controlling this family for 43 years.
Hello and welcome to English with Maverick. Present perfect continuous اللي هي المضارع التام المستمر أو الحاضر التام المستمر هي واحد التنس اللي تتوقع في الحاضر ولكن عند استعمال آخر. It refers to an action which started at a particular time in the past and still continued up until now. بمعنى أنه هاد التنس تنستعملوها ملي تنبغيو ندويو على شي حاجة اللي بدات في الماضي واستمرت معانا حتى الحاضر. وكمثال ممكن نشوفو we have been working as doctors for 2 years. بدينا الخدمة كأطباء عامين هادي. عندنا الأكشن ديال أنه الخدمة اللي هو كدكتور بدات عامين هادي واستمرت معانا حتى لدابا وربما حتى المستقبل. I have been writing articles on different topics since morning. بديت نكتب articles من الصباح. واش كملت ولا لا؟ هادشي على حسب الجملة كيفاش غادي تكمل ولكن استمر معنا هاد الأكشن من الماضي حتى الحاضر. For the positive form غادي نبداو of course with the subjects I, you, they and we. ثم عندنا الكاتيجوري الثاني اللي هي he, she and it. بالنسبة للكاتيجوري الأولى تنستعملو معها have been plus الverb plus ing. I have been working. أما بالنسبة ل he, she and it فتنستعملو معها has been plus الverb plus ing. For example, he has been working. For the negative form نفس الشيء عندنا subject I, you, they, we ثم he, she and it. بالنسبة ل the first one غادي نديرو have not been plus الverb plus ing. I have not been working. For the second one has not been plus الverb plus ing. She has not been working. For the interrogative form for this time غادي نبداو بهاف هي الأولى ثم of course I, you, they and we been plus the verb plus ing. Have I been working? For the second category غادي نديرو has مع he, she and it. Been plus the verb plus ing. Has he been working? And of course ما نساوش question mark. This tense is an easy tense. خصنا غير نراجعوا ليها مزيان تعرفوا على ال use and the form ونطبقوا في ال exercises اللي غادي يكونوا في description below. Thank you for watching. Maverick's out.